And today we're going to be checking out this chair made for seniors, people with disabilities, and even women that may be pregnant to help them get in and out of the bathtub or even the shower. How cool is that? So basically what this is a chair that's got a really wide base, and it's made out of all lightweight, corrosion resistant materials. It's super strong. It has very thick polyurethane style pleather, so it is completely waterproof. It can get wet. It has padded arms on both sides. It can hold up to 350 pounds. It has a firm backrest, and it also has a seat belt to help keep you in while you're transitioning. Now, the way that this works, whether you have this going into a shower, going into a hot tub, going into a bathtub, even if it's like a cold plunge tub or whatever the case may be, this is how you use it. You will unbuckle the seat belt. You sit in, buckle yourself in. You have control knobs on the sides right here. You pull the knob out. That allows you to swivel the chair around. And then you have a knob on the front. And when you pull this knob out, it allows you to slide into your tub where you can actually take your shower and get cleaned up. And then when you're done with your shower, you pull the front knob, you slide back out of the tub, you pull the knob, rotate, undo your seat belt, and you can get out. Just that easy. There's no having to climb over or maneuver or risk slipping getting into the tub. Now let me show you a couple of features about this chair up close. All right, so down here you can see this is your swivel rail, and on the side over here is where you can pull out your knob to swivel your chair, just like this. And you can set it up in both directions. As you can see, it will swivel a full 360 degrees. And then on the front right here, you have this knob, and this when you pull out, and it will slide over. Once you get over, it will auto lock in. And then you can pull it to slide back. Like I said, it's a very thick pleather. It is a nylon seat belt that is fully adjustable with the plastic clips. So there's nothing on here that's going to rust or corrode. But one of the really cool features is how many adjustments you have on these legs. You can actually go up in very small increments because, like in this situation, that back leg is shorter than this front leg because of the slope of the tub. But the tub sits higher than the floor, so I had to adjust these legs a little bit longer than those legs in the tub. So you can completely manipulate all four corners to get a nice level chair. You can see all these arms and lower legs are aluminum that are welded. This is a steel chrome plated tube that's going to support you as you float across. And overall, it's very well constructed. So if you or someone that you know is a senior citizen, has a disability, may be pregnant, has mobility issues, looking for a chair like this, I highly recommend this one. It's super easy to put together. It only takes like 5 minutes. It's extremely tough. It can hold 350 pounds. It has a nice ball bearing rolling system in it, so it's nice and smooth rolling back and forth, and it's very easy to use. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.